They kept on calling, doing API calls. That's a pretty good reason why Instagram got bought by Facebook, because they use Facebook's platform. When you jump onto someone else's platform and you utilize the data that they have, it boosts yours. So I talked about this a little bit, basically saying you don't, the entrepreneur hat and then the API hat, right? Almost, because I'm the founder of a company that utilizes APIs. They're not much, 2 cents, 30 cents sometimes per API call. So think about it this way. You have Facebook. You log on to Facebook. I'm privy to my entire friends list. I have X company that wants to use your friends list, use some of your data, your likes, your comments. An API allows access. It's considered like a node. It allows access for that to happen and transpire. So, for instance, the gaming application, I forgot their name. I want to understand. I get on the gaming app. I'm going, or I'm about to log in, and I say, "Oh, Facebook." What it does is, I talked about this when it comes down to neuromarketing as well. I see something that's familiar. Facebook. I can log in with Facebook. I'm in America. Of course, I want to use Facebook. That's an API. I hit Facebook. I get now a better experience when it comes to the application. So when these people are building these things and they take in effect, okay, Facebook, they take in Instagram, Spotify, all these companies, they want one congruent way of working so they can capture all of the data. Like us, right? Our API calls deals with emotion and deals with syntax on sentiment, people texting, right? We get to a point where we can understand and actually be able to gauge different heat maps from people just off of words. We can't charge $5, $6, $7, $8 for that. It has to be a low API call that anybody can use. So hopefully I answered the question that API calls are similar to a node, like in your brain, right? It's the connectors, right? The system that makes the product better. That's all an API call is.